Intro videos and demo videos are one of the challenging things when it comes to teaching English online. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at that. We're also going to be looking at how you can get a free TEFL certificate. I'm also going to be giving you guys tips on how you can get students and keep those students. So if you are looking to start teaching English online in the year 2024, then this is the video for you. Stay tuned until the end of the video so that you can get more value from it. Hey guys, welcome and thank you for watching. My name is Mpho and I share content on how to make money online. If this is the type of content you are looking for, then you are in the right place. Please do consider joining the family by hitting the subscribe button, not forgetting the notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, YouTube can notify you. With that being said, let's just dive into today's video. So we're going to be looking at two platforms that you can consider to start teaching English online in the year 2024. What I like about these platforms is that even if you are a beginner, you can still start teaching English online on these platforms. You don't need to have any degree, you don't need to have any experience, although having some sort of teaching experience will be an added advantage. You only need to have a TEFL certificate, and we're going to be looking at how you can get a free TEFL certificate in order for you to start applying on these different platforms. Now, to get a free TEFL certificate, you're going to come to a platform called Teacher Records. This is how it looks like. So here you're going to be completing a 120-hour TEFL certificate with Teacher Record. This is absolutely free. You don't pay anything to have the certificate. So you can simply come here and read on the course requirements. You can also read on the introduction, and you can also read as they break down the course or modules that you are going to be completing. You can also come here to view the certificate. You can simply come to the bottom right here to view the certificate. So this is how the certificate will look like, but it will have your details right there. Before moving to the first platform, we're going to be looking at rules that you need to follow when it comes to teaching English online. This is for every platform that has to do anything with teaching English online. Firstly, you need to be in a quiet environment. Secondly, you need to have a stable internet connection. You can also use a UPS to stabilize your internet in case of load shedding. You also need to smile so that your student can be comfortable while having a lesson with you. The third one is to always greet your student before you can start the lesson. Now, with that being said, let's just start with the first platform. This is the platform that we're going to be looking at, and it's called Native Champ. This is how their homepage looks like. So as you can see here, it says become an online English teacher today. So we're going to come down, and here, as you can see, they are available in 110 countries plus. They also have 13,000 plus teachers, and they have 500,000 plus students. And then we're going to come down to see their requirements. So here they require you to be at least 18 years or older. Here it says teaching experience not required, training and teaching materials always available. They require you to have a laptop or a PC with webcam. So they also require you to have headsets with a microphone. You need to have a stable and quick internet connection with minimum required speed of 2 Mbps. They also require you to use Google Chrome or Mozilla Firefox. So we're going to come down, and here are the benefits of working with a Native Champ. You're going to work flexible hours. You're going to work from the comfort of your own home. And the other benefit is that you're going to get paid based on your performance. And here it says bonuses based on your performance. So you're going to get a bonuses also. So we're also going to come to the bottom, and as you can see, you can organize your schedule using their app, which is available for both Android and iOS devices. So we're going to come down, and as you can see, there are testimonials from people that have been teaching on Native Champ. So you can simply come here and read on the testimonials right there. They also have an FAQ section, so you can simply come here to read on the FAQ section, or you can leave a comment down below. I will be happy to assist you. So for you to get started, you're going to come to the top to where it says apply. on the orange button, click there, and then you're going to be prompted to a page like this one where you need to create an account. So you're going to enter in your email address, you're going to also enter in your password, and then you click apply. You also need to verify your email address so that your account can be activated. But because I'm already a member, I'm simply going to log into my account so that I can show you guys how it looks like once you're inside. To be looking at the rules that Native Champ has, and the first rule here, it says you need to be on an English only policy, so you cannot speak any of your vernacular languages. You only need to be speaking English. The second rule is that you need to be in a quiet room, and the third one is you need to focus on the lesson, so you cannot be eating or drinking. You don't have to be on social media or maybe holding your phone during the lesson. And here it says you need to be on standby for 15 minutes before the training. So we're going to come down, and here they've got a lesson flow, which is warming up for 2 minutes. And here it says greeting. Greeting is very important. So you need to greet your student. You need to check the audio or the video. You need to confirm the speech rate if the student wants you to speak slow, or if the student wants you to speak fast. You need to confirm the lesson that you're having with the student on the day. And then the proper lesson is for about 18 minutes. You need to use the chat box efficiently. And then for wrapping up, it is about 5 minutes. And then on the wrapping up, you will be going over the lesson, which is you will be going over the words that the student has learned. You will be correcting mispronounced words. You will be correcting grammatical errors, and everything that you do, you need to be typing it so that the student can go back and revise on that. So we're going to be looking at the demo lesson textbook. So I'm going to click on the article, the first article right here. So that's the demo lesson that I will be doing for you guys. So I'm just going to be doing it as if I've got a student, as they would have wanted you to do it. Hi, my name is Mpho. How about you? What is your name? Okay, can you see me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Good. Can you please confirm the speech rate? Do you want me to speak fast or you want me to speak slow? All right, good. Can you please confirm the lesson that we're having today? Good. So today we're going to be studying daily news, and the title is Drinking Tea and Coffee Can Lower the Risk of Dementia and Stroke. Let's have words and phrases. Let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. Let's have the first word. I will play the audio in US pronunciation. Please listen to the audio well. Good. Let's read the example sentence. Repeat after me once. This patient suffers from dementia. Good. Great. Now please make a sentence using the word I will type in the chat box. Okay, let's have the second word. Please listen to the audio. Okay, let's move on to the next part. So that's how they would have wanted you to do the lesson. I'm not going to go over the whole lesson with you guys because it will take time, but I think you get an idea of how they would have wanted you to do the lesson. It's written in red. This is you reading it out to the student. You are going to say what is written in red. So this is the lesson for today. You are going to be looking at this lesson, and you are going to be reading anything that is written in red. You are going to be reading it out to the student. The other platform that we're going to be looking at is called Preply. This is how their homepage looks like. So for you to become a tutor on this platform, you need to come to the top to where it says become a tutor. You need to click there, and then you're going to be directed to a page like this one. So here it says teach online and money
on your schedule. So before going to the sign up process, I'm going to go down, and here it says set your own rate. It further says English tutors charge $15 to $25 per hour. It further says teach anytime or anywhere, grow professionally. You can also read some of the information provided right here. They also have an FAQ section that you can read. So in order for you to get started, you come to the top to where it says sign up. You're going to put in your email address. You're going to also put in your password, and then you're going to click sign up. Or you can sign up with your Google account, or you can also sign up with your Facebook account. Please ensure that you verify your account so that it can be activated if you're going to sign up with your email. So I'm going to do an intro video right now with you guys.
I will be doing an intro video for Preply. They require you to do an intro video so that when a student is looking for a teacher or viewing your profile, they can be able to see your intro video and then decide if they want to go with you or they want to continue looking for another teacher. So you can add, subtract, or take a bit of tips from the intro video that I will be doing. So this is how I would have wanted, this is how I would do an intro video on Preply. Hello, my name is Mpho Candice, but you can call me Teacher Candy. I'm from a beautiful country called South Africa, and I am a qualified English instructor with 2 years teaching experience. I teach students from as young as 4 years old, and I teach adult as well. I have a background in engineering and business, and I am a content creator as well. If you are looking for a teacher to assist you in developing your skills or just learning the English language, I am the teacher for you. In my class, I will ensure that lessons are enjoyable and simple. So go on and book a lesson with me. Can't wait to meet you. Until next time, bye. This is an idea of how you can do an intro video for Preply. You can add, you can subtract, you can make it vibey, but as you can see, it is short and simple and straightforward. There's not too much information, it is just straightforward. So I'm going to also take this opportunity to kindly ask you to hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. If you are a returning subscriber and you came for yet another video, thank you so much for stopping by. I truly appreciate your support. Like this video if you found value in it. Leave a comment if you've got any question or if you just appreciate the type of content I am creating. And until the next video, guys, bye.